What is PLR? PLR is private label rights. A product such as an ebook, audio, or video courses with private label rights means you can edit the contents and brand yourself as the author or creator of the product. You own the product. PLR benefits are use of PLR offers many pluses for the sharp marketer and author. Number one, it saves you money. A ghostwriter or after spending your time researching topics can cost you between $500 to $1,000 for each ebook created. If you want to write it yourself, you will lose efficiency, waste time, thereby costing you a lot of money. In conclusion, PLR products are ready-made and affordable, hopefully saving you up to 90% of your production costs. Number two, PLR can save you time. Going solo requires you to come up with a creative idea, do the research, do the writing, and designing of the product, and this could take months to complete. With PLR, you realize results in a far shorter time. Then getting your PLR books out to the marketplace requires only a few hours. In essence, you will realize revenue coming in faster. Number three, the PLR process considerably reduces your effort. You're working smart and not working hard. All the research and keyword work is done. You're able to concentrate on marketing your new product. Number four, you'll be able to take advantage of niches. These niches can be quite lucrative. PLR content makes it possible to dominate well-researched, obscure niches with huge profit potential. Rules of PLR, the do's and the don'ts. The following do's apply. You can put your name on PLR products. You can edit, enhance, rewrite these products. You can use these products on your website or blog. You can use these products in your newsletter. You can use these products in your autoresponder. You can use them in your membership site. You can use them as a free gift. You can use them as a paid product. You can use them as prizes in a competition. Now, you do not want to do the following. Do not use these products as a packet in another PLR product. Do not resell them as PLR products. Do not sell the unedited PLR product at dirt cheap prices. Do not use them for another PLR membership site. How to implement your PLR product. You can use them to create other products, market them, and attract traffic to your website easily. You will become established as an expert in your niche, outperforming competitors with PLR content in your quiver of products. To summarize, PLR can create free and paid products, draw traffic to your website, create content for your followers, establish yourself as an expert in your niche, enable you to make a profit in a very short time. There's a lot more to share about PLRs, but that is for another day. I'm an affiliate with an online marketing business. Our two main products are a page builder and traffic and conversion trainings. With these products, you can build any business, and in addition, as an affiliate, you can create a monthly recurring income. My website is noted below. To find out more about my business, please subscribe to this video. Leave any questions or comments in the comments below, and may God bless all that you do.